Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is a unique vegetable fruit that can be used both as food and medicine. Here are the top advantages of consuming bitter gourd. 1. Rich in nutrients, bitter gourd is a source of vitamins A and C, folate, and other essential nutrients. 2. Helps in blood sugar control. It contains properties that act like insulin, helping to bring down blood sugar levels. 3. Lowers bad cholesterol. Consuming bitter gourd can help reduce the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in the body. 4. Aids in weight loss. Being low in calories, it aids in weight management and fat reduction. 5. Boosts immune system. The antioxidants present in bitter gourd help fight off bacterial and viral infections. 6. Good for skin. It helps in treating skin problems and provides a natural glow to the skin. 7. Enhances digestion. Bitter gourd stimulates the secretion of gastric juices, aiding in better digestion. Including bitter gourd in your diet can offer a myriad of health benefits.